Hey guys, how's it going? So in today's video, we're gonna be talking about how Tilray kind of pull up the entire market today because of Tilray's news. Actually, Aphria actually had pretty good earnings today too. The revenues were on the good side, but the entire, I didn't listen to the conference call, but the report looks pretty decent. The balance sheet looks pretty decent. The the net revenue looks pretty decent, and I'll explain it in this video. So Tilray had some really big news today. It says that the people who own shares of Tilray are not planning to sell, get rid of the shares, or distribute the shares. They plan to, at least for the first half of 2019. So that means that investors have another 6 months to manipulate the stock, and the Pioneer Holdings will not be selling or getting rid of their shares until the first half of 2019. So that's the reason why the stock popped up big time today. It popped up 16.5 dollars, 20.52%. This could be a wrong indicator. Yeah, so it's gone up quite a bit. It was up to $100 in the day, and then it kind of pulled back. Volume is also very nice too. And then because of this news, Aurora went up, Cannabis went up, Aphria went up on its own earnings report, but big companies are going up. Like Aphria said that Aphria recorded 63% net revenue growth for fiscal 2019, 21.7 million, way below what I predicted, but it's still pretty good because I'll get to it. I have the setup up right here. Revenue of $24 million. Wasn't it $21 million it was talking about? Oh, because there was excise taxes. So that the net revenue was $21.688 million. The excise taxes is the government tacking on, how when you go to retailers and you buy product, that's the excise taxes. Oh, it's when they ship to the medical patients. They have to pay the government like $1 or something. So that's where the excise tax came from. I'm assuming because I noticed when I went into the Roy stores, like as a medical patient, they tacked on like $5 for every 10 grams. So every gram they tacked on an extra $1. So if I buy 10 grams, that's like I have to pay $10 of taxes. So I think that's where the excise tax comes from. But because of them selling out of their investments, they made $46 million, and then also some gains on long-term investments, giving them $84 million in total of non-operating items. And so they came out with a net revenue after taxes and all that stuff, all the operational expenses. They came out with a total net revenue of $54.77 million, which is pretty good. Their balance sheet looks pretty good too. They have $152 million in cash. Their inventory has increased quite dramatically, even though they're in 2 months of legalization, which is a good sign that the inventory is increasing and they're still selling product. I like to see inventory increase because inventory is their supply chain. So that's good that they're building up inventory. It's just kind of weird how it takes a while for them to distribute their inventory, and it's growing instead of decreasing. Because I was expecting inventory to decrease like 5 million or 10 million, but it's increasing. It literally doubled from last quarter, so that's crazy. Their total asset goodwill is $656 million. So you kind of have to take that out of the equation. So that's about 1.3 $1.3 million of total asset, and total liability is $302 million, giving them a $1 billion shareholder equity, which is not bad because their stock value right now, let's see if I can find it. Okay, nope, I don't think I have it up. Their stock value right now is $2.3 billion. If you add the goodwill on, seems like, you know, Aphria is kind of undervalued. Even at $11, kind of undervalued, but that's what I think. I don't know, that's just my opinion. You know, so Aphria and Tilray kind of pulled the market along today. Like Cannabis up, you know, like 5.5%. Cannabis should be pulling back very, very soon here, because you don't have a straight up ramp forever. Eventually that's gonna correct itself. It's gonna make new lows and highs soon, so I don't think it's gonna be immediate drop back down to $39. I think it's gonna hover around there until at least Cannabis earnings. So that's what I think is going on, because Cannabis is having its earnings soon, and I think when they announce the earnings, I'll make a video on what I think of Cannabis earnings moving forward. So stay tuned for that. T-God also got pushed up today because T-God wasn't getting the benefit of the cannabis boom. Like I was saying, I was expecting T-God to reach back to its, you know, last month high. So it's starting to go back there. It's starting to go back to where I predicted it. So you know, I kind of knew that this would happen, but Aurora is surpassing where my expectation right now. Aurora's volume is insane today. Like 18 million, and it's only 1.5 hours into market opening. That is insane amount of volume. The volume seems to be like increasing 10 million per day. That's insane. I'm really scared of Aurora right now, because I just don't know what's gonna happen. Like it could push all the way to $9. But I was predicting between $8 to $9, and you know, it's $8.55 right now. I sold off 3,000 shares of Aurora yesterday, but you know, I still have like 36 or 37,000 shares. Here's my screenshot of my shares. Aurora, ACB, US, 680, 638. You know, like I still have 24 plus the 7 plus 2 is 10, no 9. So like 33,000 shares. I have about 33,000 shares of Aurora. You know, some of my option calls are pissing me off. I'm hoping for a big market crash, because I have a lot of put options, but I may do some call options today. I don't know. No, I don't know. I'm too scared of the market. I think we're at resistance points right now, and it's kind of scaring me. Aurora's scaring me too. I don't know. I'm thinking maybe I should get rid of some more today. Cannabis, you know, up. T-God. Namaste is holding. It's flattening out, just like I was predicting. I don't think Namaste is going back to $2. I seriously do not think Namaste is going back to $2. I think it's going to probably plummet down to maybe like 110. I think it's going to plummet down to 120, between 120 to 135. And then it's probably going to be waiting on news before this stock rallies again. Just my opinion. It could even drop lower. I mean, worst case, I don't think it'll ever go back to 80 cents. I think worst case scenario, it goes back to like the low $1. Maybe the high $1, like 110, 150, 110, 109, 108, around there. Today the the market's down today, but it's not down that bad. It's very volatile today, just up and down, up and down. We'll see how the day ends, but like I said, I think the stock market is hitting some resistance levels, and that's why it's kind of tanking today. But there hasn't been any big news that triggered the big stock market crash. But I don't know. Maybe Monday we'll have something. So it looks like it's tanking as I'm talking. It's starting to go down again. GM, I don't know what the hell was going on with GM today, but it popped like 9%. I thought it would like affect Tesla too, but it kind of didn't. So it's kind of weird. Amazon, come on Amazon, I need you to give up. Aren't people a little scared that Jeff Bezos is giving half his shares away to his wife, who might sell all her shares, which might cause the stock to tank? And nobody's worried about that? Come on, people. Come on, rich people. I have some put options and I want to make money off them. Medtronics. I don't know why I have Medtronics up here, but it seems to flatten out. Good thing I got rid of my Medtronics, or else I would have lost money on just time decay of the Medtronics. Nvidia is up today. I was thinking of putting a put option on it. It looks like Nvidia is hitting some kind of resistance levels right now. So I mean, and the market is tanking, so I was thinking maybe it's a good put option on it. I tried to do a put option on Intel, and I couldn't. That's kind of weird. I found that a little bit disturbing and weird. I don't know why I couldn't do a put option on Intel. If you guys want to let me know, comment down below. Walt Disney, also another company I need to go down. Walt Disney actually should be rising with Netflix, because Disney is coming up with the Netflix competitor in sometime in 2019, I think. I need to do more research on that, but it's coming soon, and they are just about to merge with Fox. I don't know. I haven't kept up with Fox and Netflix and Fox and Disney, but Fox and Disney are gonna merge, and the deal is complete, and they're gonna be merging their company. I don't know when it's gonna happen. I have not kept up with Disney news at all. Apple tanked pretty big today. It like tanked, rallied, tanked. So it's looking good for me. I have like a ton of Apple puts on here. Apple put down 44%. Apple put down 20%. So I need this to turn positive. So I think it will. I think it looks like Apple seems to sell off every rally. It was like sell off, rally, sell off. So it seems like whoever is that pumped up Apple stock all the way up to like $55 is starting to sell off on Apple right now. So that's good. That's good. That's good. Good for me, because I have lots of Apple puts and I want to make money off that. AMD, I should have made a call option on AMD. Would have made nice coin yesterday, but oh well. I said I would do it too, but I never did. Sometimes I say stuff, but I don't actually do it. So yeah, man, if I made a call option right here, bam, would have been nice. Oh well. Anyways, thanks for AMD lay out big plans for 2019. Well, no shit. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye. Oh, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, because it'll help my channel grow. Bye.